In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple choice questions in SurveyMonkey. Let's start inside your survey. Make sure you're in the design area, sometimes called the survey builder. This is where you structure your questionnaire. If you're not already there, open the survey you want to edit and switch to the design tab so you can add or modify questions. On the left side, you'll see the build panel, which lists the different question types available. Click multiple choice to insert a new multiple choice question into your survey. This places a template on the page and opens the editing panel so you can customize it right away. Type your question text in the main field. Aim for clear, direct wording so respondents instantly understand what you're asking. Then enter your answer choices one per line. Keep options concise and mutually exclusive to avoid confusion. Consistent formatting helps readability. Use similar capitalization and phrasing for each choice. If you're deciding how many options to include, stick to the most useful ones and avoid overlapping answers. That makes analysis much easier later on. Next, configure how you want people to respond. If you want to allow only one answer, stay with the standard multiple choice setup. This displays radio buttons so respondents can pick a single option. If you need to allow more than one selection, like when multiple items could apply, switch the question type to checkboxes. That change tells SurveyMonkey to let respondents tick several answers. Think about your goal. Single answer questions are great for forcing a clear choice, while checkboxes are perfect when respondents might have several valid selections. If you want to capture answers that aren't covered by your list, add an Other option. Click Add Other option and a new choice appears with a small comment field, letting respondents type a custom response. This is especially helpful when your audience is diverse or your topic might not fit neatly into predefined categories. Take a moment to proofread the question and options for typos and clarity. Check that the order makes sense. Alphabetical or logical grouping can help respondents scan quickly. When everything looks good, click the Save button. Saving locks in your changes so your question is ready to use in the survey. That's it. You've opened the survey builder, added a multiple choice question, entered clear answers, set it for one or multiple selections, included an Other field if needed, and saved your work. You're ready to continue building the rest of your survey with confidence.